This machine is a Hyundai WIA moving column horizontal borer with a B axis and a W axis quill. These are my live training videos for this machine. So in this video we're going to index the B axis, and the B axis is like all your other axes. It's subject to being in absolute or incremental, so it's working from 0 when it's in absolute, which is G90. So when we command it to move, we do a G0 just the same as any other axis, which tells it to rapid, G90 which tells it it's absolute, and then we put the B figure with a decimal point. So B90 would be 90 degrees with a decimal point, B90.5 would be 90.5 degrees. So we just program it like any other axis. Press your MDI, yeah, so you're in MDI, then press your program button on your panel, prog, P-R-O-G, yeah, and you're going to type in G0, yeah, and then really should put a G90 as well, just to make sure it's an absolute move, G90, and then B0, end of block, insert or input, either one will work, and then you need to hit your cycle start, but the door needs to be closed. Yep, then hit your cycle start, and you'll see a slight delay while it thinks about it, and then it will move round. There is a brake on it, and if you start using the brake, which is a M76 I think it was, I can't remember, that M code switches the brake on and off, so you got M75 and 76, something like that, but you don't need that for this, and you're not using it anyway at the moment, so